Range Rover. Nice little wine. There's a casket in there, oh my. Free ride. Hot rod dune buggy. Yeah, early 70s Monte Carlo. Rally wheels. Not too bad. Hey, it's 2025, September 1st, Bellville, Ohio, Labor Day. We have a vintage car show at Legion Park. And I'm not going to walk through the show, but I'm going to sit here and try to catch them as they're pulling out. Hope you enjoy it. Chrysler convertible Mustang. Sounding good. Dodge Ram, ready to eat it up. Get it, baby. Sweet sounding Dodge Ram. Oh, I wish I could have got that. A couple Chevy trucks. Yeah. Yeah. Chevy square body. $1977. Another Jeep. Range Rover.
Oh my goodness.
It's a bike trail, not a road. Camaro SS. Old Ford pickup truck. King cab. F-150. Ranger. Looks like a Citation. Call this a roadster or tea bucket. Nice little wine. An old Jeep late to the show. Convertible, I'm not sure what this is. Looks like Chevy orange there. Oh, is this an old Chevrolet? GMC. I think that's a Dodge Dart. Corvette. SS Nova. Volkswagen. Got a flood coming out now. It's one of my favorites here, 69 Mach 1. Convertible 442. Another Camaro SS. No. SS. El Camino. It says Camaro front end, but look at that. Custom back. Another SS Camaro. SS Chevelle. Ford Falcon, maybe. Jeep. Nomad. Rambler. I think that was a Rambler wagon. Got the GMC truck. Another beautiful Mustang fastback GT350. Z28 Camaro. I like the tag on that one, said Ragdoll. Woo-wee! She's a beaut, Clark. Camaro. Another GTO. Yeah, a lot of old cars, lots of old ones. Another VW. Another Chevy Bel Air, another 57 Chevy Bel Air. Chevy Z21. Another Chevy. And I do not know what that is. I don't know if that's a Cornet. Another Camaro coming out. Z28. Thunderbird, no, Corvette. There we go. That sounds pretty healthy. Need a little paint on it. Another Mustang. Corvette Stingray, another Corvette, four-wheel drive Ford, nice looking Ford. Sure that's a Cuda. Camaro SS. Chevy. Waiting for traffic to clear here behind me. Filming from the bike trail. Interesting paint job on that baby. Lowered Chevy square bottom. It's like school's letting out at the hot rod show. Nice Mustang convertible. AMC. I don't know if that's a Javelin. There's a Volkswagen you don't see every day. Mustang. Sounds like she's got a lifter tapping. Chevy Nova. Not sure what that is. There's a casket in there, oh my. Hot rod dune buggy. You see a little bit of everything at this show. We might get us a burnout here, I'm not sure. She's struggling to get up the hill. Camaro Z28. Yeah. A lot of Corvettes. A lot of Corvettes, a lot of Camaros, handful of roadsters like this. I think I already posted a video on that car, Camaro SS. New Camaro, I think that's, yeah, it says SS on it. And look at that blue on that Ford truck. Another Ford. Max Exodus here. That is a beautiful car. Trans Am, I believe. I think that's a Chevelle. Mopar, not quite sure. Man, the paint jobs on these cars are amazing. Beautiful cars here. My goodness. That one means business right there, boys. Check out this truck, man. That ain't tow meter. Got the Mustang, gorgeous Mustang. Chevy Nova. Another Mustang coupe. Old Monte Carlo, I believe. Is that a Monte Carlo? Yeah, nice looking Monte Carlo. I believe that's a Monte Carlo too. SS. Chrysler. GMC. Look at this. Man, I don't know that the camera can pick up that paint. It's like almost like I want to say candy apple red. It must be candy apple red. This car was in a cruise-in on the 28th. I got video of that up too. Another candy apple color car. Monte Carlo wagon. So I'm guessing El Camino. A lot of trucks here today. Old trucks. Fox body Mustang. And we have a newer Mustang. Wait for traffic to clear on the bike trail again. Got a 90s Mustang. Cobra. Mustang Cobra. Chevy Nova. That'd be nice to have to pull your camper around. GMC. It's like the old 60s Impala, I believe. And then like a 57 or 55 Chevy in behind it. Both of them sound really good. Like a 55 Chevy.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking